to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I am making for you chicken fajita. It comes out delicious, and I know that you and your family will love and will enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have garlic seasoning, salt, lemon pepper seasoning, mozzarella cheese, tortillas, green bell pepper, orange bell pepper, red bell pepper, and white onions. I have 2 chicken breasts that I have diced in small little pieces, and vegetable oil. I am ready to show you how I make the chicken fajita here at home. So let's get started. My skillet is nice and hot. I am going to add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I am going to add my chicken. I'm going to add my garlic powder, my salt, and my lemon pepper seasoning. And we are just going to incorporate it. We do not want to move it too much. You want to leave it like this for at least 2 minutes. So I'll see you back. We are ready to move it around and make sure that we coat everything. We have our heat in high. This chicken comes out very tender. I want to show you when the chicken is already getting nice and brown. This is the time when it's time to add our veggies. We don't want to overcook our chicken. We want it nice and tender. So let's add our veggies. When my chicken has become a little bit crispy, this is the time when we need to add our veggies. We do not want to overcook our chicken. We want our chicken to be nice and tender. So let's incorporate all these bell peppers and onions. This is almost done, my friends. I am so ready to taste this. It's going to be here for at least 3 more minutes, and then it's ready. It's done. We do not want to overcook our bell peppers, okay? Look how delicious this looks, my friends. Okay, I'll see you back when this is ready. My friends, this is done. I am ready to remove it and start with my tortillas. Let's remove it from the heat. I have added my comal. It's nice and hot. I'm just going to add just a little bit of vegetable oil, and I'm going to add my tortillas. To these tortillas, I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. I have added my chicken fajita to my tortillas, and I can't wait for them to be ready. I'll see you when I'm ready to taste these delicious chicken fajita tacos. I wanted to show it to you from close-up. Look how delicious this looks. I can't wait to taste. See you in a little bit. Friends, I am done with this chicken fajita. Look how delicious this looks. Of course that I had to combine it with my Mexican salsa, my green salsa that you already have in my channel. I made myself some quesadillas tacos, and these came out delicious. Let me add some of my Mexican salsa with avocado. This is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. I wish you were here to taste with me. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. Delicious. The veggies are nice and crispy. The chicken is nice and tender. And the combination of this salsa is just delicious. Excuse me. So many delicious flavors in just one taco. I hope that you can make it at home. Enjoy it with your family. Taste this chicken fajita that I made here at home. Very easy to prepare. I hope you could do it at home with family and enjoy it. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Share my video on social media. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you so much for watching my video from start to end. I really do appreciate it. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And yes, I will stay enjoying my chicken fajita taco. And I'll see you back. Bye-bye.